Hi everyone, welcome to Winnie House Tour. Today we're going to visit a house right next to the golf course. This place is surrounded by the nature. You see how many trees here? Behind me, you have this beautiful lake view. It's a house that is much less commercial and much more special and private. Let's go to visit the house. Start from the front gate. The reason I say this house is very special is because you actually have to walk through the bridge in order to get inside the house. This piece of land is more or less like an island. And from the outside there are lots of parking space. 2 cars you can park indoor and then you can park much more cars here outside. So you don't need to worry about parking at all. The land size is about 4,000 square meters. That's nearly 1 acre. And the construction size is 474 square meters, including also 1 big swimming pool. And there are a total 5 bedrooms. Now let's take a look inside. This house is really special. Once you enter, you already see this antique door. It's from Indonesia. And then before you go inside the house, you have to walk through this sala, surrounded by koi fish. You can see koi fish and also flowers all around. And another bridge. Wow. Then we arrive in the main house. Let's go in to take a look. Walking through the beautiful sala, we are entering the living room. The living room has this beautiful 2-sided door. It's a grand open. And on the left-hand side, we can see a modern kitchen. This house is in a minimalist style. So it's basically black and white color. The counter is very big. Love this island table. And lots of storage at the back. Lots of storage space at the back. It's very simple color, black and white, very well organized. And you can hide everything inside. And it's fully equipped. Fridge is hidden. Oven, microwave, everything. The stove is here. It's a stove using gas. And I have to mention the ceiling is really high. I think it's a 3.5 meter high ceiling. When all the sliding doors are open, so you can feel the wind comes through all the time. It's clean, it's breezy, and it's surrounded by nature. From every corner you can see the trees. Walking through it, the other side is the living area. So the kitchen is black and white and the living area is basically white. Also here, with all those large windows, you see trees, you see green colors everywhere. It's very pleasant. And behind it, that's the master bedroom. Let's go in to take a look. Okay, let's visit this master bedroom. This master bedroom is bright, but with lots of antique Asian style furniture. So that's very special. This side there is a walk-in closet, and we will go to check out this master bathroom. We're going to check out this master bathroom. Wow. This is not a regular bathroom. It's bigger than a bedroom, I have to say. You can have a private bath here. It's huge. Never seen a bathroom at this size. Walking out from the master bedroom, we're going to see the sitting area outdoor. Here, there are Quite a lot of sitting area with the outdoor couch and then dining table. This is a place you can enjoy a party with friends and maybe a barbecue party. It's quiet. And it's a really nice place to enjoy the lake view. With a large swimming pool in front. This swimming pool is about 12.5 meters long. And right in front of it is the lake. Let's go take a closer look to this lake. It's a natural lake with lots of birds around and squirrels. It's really a peaceful place. So this house is separate in few buildings. Here, this main building, we have the living room, the kitchen, and the master bedroom, and of course this outdoor sitting area. And then after that, is this long corridor. And on my left-hand side, there are a few guest bedrooms. This is one of the guest bedrooms. Of course, every bedroom you can enjoy the nature view. You can open the sliding door and walk directly out. Right after this bedroom is a guest toilet. And then another one, it's almost the same, it's another guest bedroom. They are all they all comes with the ensuite bathrooms. And all the bedrooms here, you can have direct access to the garden. Wow, this is really beautiful corridor. So again, two guest bedrooms here, and then the main building here. Sala on this side. Wow, it's so lovely with all those flowers and trees. And there are more. Here at the end of the corridor, there's one bedroom as the maid's quarter, as the maid's bedroom. Okay, and next to the parking, there is also an office here. Right now it's used as an office, but you can also convert it to the guest bedroom. Okay, I'm still at the parking, but if I walk this side, then it's another garden. This house is so big, the land is huge. Then here, another lake view. They keep it organized, but still you can see part of the nature, like here, with some lovely flowers. Wow, I start to feel tired. It's not a joke, it's 4,000 square meters. So now we will just walk around the garden and see if I can survive after that. Oh, it's huge. There are still a lot of land. Probably you can play golf here. So this side of the land, the owner kind of keep it natural. Didn't do too much things here. Wow, that's huge. So remind you again, this house asking price is 23.5 million baht. Land size is 4,000 square meter. House size is 474 square meters. Total 5 bedrooms. And it's right next to the Bum Hills golf course. Of course, have to mention again, there's a lake view from this house. It's very private, it's surrounded by the nature. And at last, if you're interested, please don't forget to contact us anytime. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.